for what's on your mind. Then you will locate the button for live video. Now click on it. Now we'll see various options here. The first thing you need to make sure that your video goes to the right audience. This is set to public. You can toggle it to friends or only you, whatever you want, it's your choice. I will leave it to public. Okay, then save. Then you might want the flash to be on. You can click it like this. Then you might want to mute your mic, or you want your mic to be on like this so that the audience can hear whatever you say. Okay, whatever you want. Then you can include the text to tell your audience what the video is all about. Let's say let's chat. Okay, let's say let's chat. Okay, then you might choose, you want to choose some stickers. Let's save this one. Okay, then you might choose effects and stickers and everything. Okay, then you might want to choose a live poll to ask your audience some questions so that you can really engage them during your live session. Okay, I hope this helps, guys. Then click on go live like this. With that, by clicking this button, you will be live on Facebook and you'll be able to share your story with your audience. Okay, thank you, guys. Let's meet in the next video.